In this video, I will talk about whether Chime will work with Zelle or not. Zelle is a P2P payment network that allows users to send money between bank accounts, usually in minutes. It's commonly integrated with many traditional banks and credit unions across the US. So the question is Chime compatible with Zelle? Actually, no, Chime does not support Zelle natively. Zelle only works with banks and credit unions that are part of its partner network. Chime is a fintech company, not a traditional bank, and it's not included in the Zelle network. Chime has its own money transfer feature called Pay Anyone. You can send money instantly to anyone with a valid debit card, even if they are not a Chime user. It's free, fast, and easy to use. So, if you want quick, no-fee transfer, Chime system is a solid choice. If you must use Zelle, you might need to keep a traditional bank account that supports Zelle for those specific transfer. So, in conclusion, Chime does not work with Zelle, but it does offer a reliable, fast, and free alternative for sending money through its Pay Anyone feature. Whether that's enough depends on your personal needs. So, that's it for the information today. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.